In this video, you will learn how to create project-specific automations within templates and save them using Rocketlane. Let's get started and see how to set this up. Log in as a Rocketlane admin and navigate to Templates. Under Project Templates, select a template of your choice. Inside the template, you can set up automations to run on selected phases, tasks, or forms. First, let's see how to set up automations for a phase. For example, say you wish to set the project status as completed on completion of the go-live phase. Scroll down to the phase you wish to set up automations. Click on the phase and to the right-hand side, select Automations. Click the Add Automation button. Click Blank Slate. Name the automation and start building it. Choose a phase trigger, for example, phase status is updated. Under Action Block, add condition where, if status changes from anything to completed. You can add more than one condition and match all or any of the conditions. Continue to add condition such as project name contains Acme. Next up is action. Here you can add phase or project actions depending upon the problem the automation solves. Select project actions and select update project status and update it to completed. Click Save. And that's how you set up automations for a phase. Next, let's set up automation for tasks inside the template. For example, say when the due date of a milestone task changes and if its priority is high, then notify the project owner. Select any task from the list. Per our example, click on a milestone task. To the right-hand side, select Automations. Click the Add Automation button. Click Blank Slate. Name the automation and start building it. Choose the task trigger as Due Date Change. Add conditions where if due date is postponed to greater than 1 day and priority is high. The action is to notify the project owner about the due date change. You can use SmartFill to draft the email with task details, which will get populated when the email is sent out. Click Save to save the automation and also save the changes done on the template. And that's everything you need to set up automations on a template level. Now, if you wish to save the automation, click on the 3 dots near the automation and save automation. These saved automations can be applied within project templates with a click of a button. For further information on this, please reach out to rocketlane.com.